Hello everyone, got a question from our Discord channel on how to make an airstrike. The first thing I'm going to do is my standard setup, which is creating a database new game folder. And now I'm going to copy a few files just as a good starting point. I'm clicking on the database folder and searching for projectile standard AOE. Let's copy that to our new game folder. And then I'm going to search for kit_empty and copy that to our new game folder. I'll rename both of these with kit_airstrike and action_airstrike. For testing purposes, I'm going to make sure my place settings are set to new editor window, net mode is set to standalone, and the advanced settings always on top is enabled. Finally, I'll click on the action kit to open it up and drag and drop my action airstrike into the second slot, which is left click. I can then double click on my action to open it up. I'll click play, then head over to combat testing. And now I'll search for airstrike and load my action kit. And you can see it's a standard projectile, and this one, when it collides with something, will explode. Now I'm going to go up to the top, and just for a fresh look, I'm going to collapse all, right click on the new row at the very top, and then expand the action collection. The first thing we're going to do is change some of the explosion settings. We will make sure the hitbox is 500 all across, and the size of the FX is 1 all across. Now we'll go to index 0, which is the projectile, and the main concern here is the location and rotation. Once again, if we cast this projectile right now, it just shoots straight forward. If we change the location Z value to 1500, it'll spawn 1500 units above us. And same thing for the X. Let's bump it forward a little bit, and it'll spawn above us and forward. Now all we have to do is change the rotation, and we'll set it to -89 degrees. Now it's spawning above us and shooting down to the ground. And here's the basics to the airstrike. Now with the magic of copy and paste, we'll just add a bunch more actions, and then copy and paste the index 0 across the other ones, and we can change the location of each one. In this case, I put the X value increased in 250 units increments. The last note is that these have a default of 0.5 delay per cast, so you can go to each one in the setup options and put this to 0 if you want them to all spawn at the same time. Or play with the settings up and down to change the timing of them in general. That's it for this one. See ya!